Today I'm sharing with you my current favorite side dish, which is a carrot souffle, which sounds super fancy, which it is, but it's actually ridiculously easy to make. And it's also very volatile, so you can change it up, make it your own, and it's just delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. You'll start off with 1 pound of carrots. You want to boil them until soft. I just bought the bag of baby carrots at the store, boiled them, and then you'll need to either puree them, put them in a food processor, put them in a Ninja, or if you don't have any of that, you can just mash them up really well to make our base. Now, typically I would put like some cinnamon and brown sugar in here and make a sweet side dish, but today I want to do a little more savory. Don't worry, I tested it out before this and it was delicious. So what we're going to do today is we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper just for flavoring. And then I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Give it a little heat. And then I just took about a big handful of cilantro and chopped it pretty finely. We're going to stir this up, give it a taste. We're kind of going for a Latin flavor here. And before we add our eggs, go ahead and taste your mixture, see if it needs any extra salt or pepper or any extra heat. But if you do add cayenne pepper, it will get hotter as it cooks in the oven. So the spicier, or the hotter it gets, the spicier it gets. So I'm going to give this just a little taste. Un momento. Add a little more pepper, but that's awesome. Perfect. I didn't need too much salt because I boiled my salt, or I boiled the water that they were boiling in. All right, next up, you need 4 eggs separated. We're going to add the yolks and mix that right into this mixture. All that is well incorporated. You want to take the whites and you want to have mixed them until they have stiff peaks. This is what's going to make the souffle a souffle. We're going to gently fold in the whites. That means gently just kind of, you know, fold it in. Once your whites are mostly mixed in well, folded in well, you're good to go. I've got about 6 ramekins like this. Go ahead and spray them. And you're going to fill this to the top. And also, at some point during this time, you should preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to put these in the oven for about 20 minutes. That's it. I can't wait to show you what they look like when they're done. And they're done! Aren't they cute? This actually took about 25 minutes at 350 degrees. You know when it's done when it stops jiggling in the middle. So this made about 5 of this size ramekin dish, so 5 servings. If that's too many, the cool thing about this recipe is I put these in the fridge and then reheated them up in the oven for about 5 minutes the next day, and they don't really lose their souffle-ness. It's still a great leftover dish. So come in for a close-up and I'll show you what the middle looks like. All right, let's see this middle. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Let's give it a shot. Whoa, a taste. That is so light and fluffy. It's sweet from the carrots. There's just a little bit of heat from the cayenne and a freshness from that cilantro. It's awesome. You guys are gonna love this.